welcome back. So today we have something totally and completely different than what I usually do on my channel, and that is we have a laser cutter, you guys. A laser cutter. That's right. In partnership with WECREAT Vision Laser Company, I am going to be doing a laser project using their WECREAT Laser 20 watt. Now, you may be wondering, what is a 20 watt laser? I'm so glad you asked. WECREAT's 20 watt vision laser is the world's first auto-lifting laser, engraver, and cutter. It also comes with a rotary system and is the easiest rotary system in the market. The laser comes with a built-in HD camera which optimizes space utilization and drastically reduces material waste. It also is the world's first quick view matrix, one-click settings for 1,000 plus materials. It has an extremely safe FDA Class 1 laser, and it supports the WECREAT Make It software and also has support for light burn. Now, I received the Air pack. I think I'm saying that right, but there's different packs that you can receive on the website, and they sent me the 20 watt laser and the FUME extractor. What's the FUME extractor? Our FUME extractor lets you operate your WECREAT anywhere in your home, school, or office. Its 3-layer filtration achieves a purification rate of 99.97%, which allows the purified air to be released directly inside your home. So in other words, it's gonna suck all that smoke and air out of the laser, and then it's gonna filtrate it in the FUME extractor and then release it back out into the air inside your house. But because its filtration rate is 99.97%, you don't gotta worry about anything getting into your house and floating around your home. It's awesome for when you have this is awesome for the crafters that don't have windows in their craft room. You don't have to go out into your garage to use this machine. You can use it right inside your craft room in your house. Now, you guys, you have to forgive me. I got all those specs directly off the website because I have never in my life used a laser before. I didn't know what this sucker could do, so I had to look it up. I've never used a laser before. I've never touched a laser before. I'm literally coming at this as a beginner laser cutter crafter hobbyist. I'm still gonna do tumblers on my channel. Please do not worry about that. But I also wanted to add in some extra things like some signs, because if you guys know, wood signs is my first love. I came into crafting making wood signs. I would hand paint wood signs, go to craft shows, sell those wood signs for like 20 bucks after working on them for 6 hours. And that's literally how I got my start. So with this laser, I'm really hoping to implement some wood signs into my YouTube channel just to branch out a little bit more. I'm also going to be taking advantage of that rotary system to do some stainless steel tumblers and do some lasering on some tumblers. So I'm really excited to use this laser today, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with this first project. I was intimidated, but it was actually really easy to put together. I had this machine up and running and working on my first project within an hour. I had everything hooked up and ready to go. So let's go ahead and check out what I made using the laser. Okay guys, when you first download the WECREAT Make It software on the WECREAT website, it walks you through a beginner project. It highlights all the things that you need to click, no guesswork is involved. They really make it super simple for you to get started and become acclimated with the machine. Something I neglected to mention, when you first use a laser, you will need to hook your computer up directly to the laser itself using the provided USB cord. You'll only have to do this once. After this one time, you can hook up to the laser using your Wi-Fi connection. Now, I will say, even with the FUME extractor, there is a wood burning smell. So if you're sensitive to that, you may want to go ahead and have the hose go out of a window, or you can do it in your garage. But if you're like me and don't mind your house smelling like you have a wood fire going, you're good. Oh my word, I love that wood burning smell. It reminds me of fall and bonfires. I love it. Oh my gosh. All right, y'all, I was struggling, but I finally figured out how to put this little dude together. Look at that. That is absolutely amazing. This project took about, I think it was about 30 minutes to complete, but the details of it. And so I'm just going to set this on my desk. All All right, now that I'm done my first project, I'm a lot more comfortable with this machine. Let's go into the WECREAT software, find another project that we can do on a cutting board. I have some cutting boards that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I really want to test it out. So let's try something. Let's try it. Okay, fam, project number 2, because we are laser people now. The Make It library has a ton of projects to choose from, but since it's almost Mother's Day, I thought it would be cute to make my mama a cutting board to hang in her kitchen. I followed the same steps from the Lion and Lamb project, and I didn't change any of the original settings. I'll start playing with those settings and experimenting like those settings later. The Make It software from WeCreate, it really reminds me of Design Space. So if you have a Cricut machine, you can jump right on in. In fact, I didn't like the wording on the design, so I decided to go in and change it up, and it was super easy to do. Okay, y'all, let me tell you, that camera in the machine is so nice. You know your girl hates any type of measuring, and this camera makes it so easy to lay out your design on your project. What you see is what you get. The camera shows you the size of your design and exactly where the laser is going to put it. I absolutely love that. I'm pretty sure this is the only laser so far that's out there that has this feature. Okay guys, so it's been a couple of days since we last chatted, and I've been playing. But first let's look at the the cutting board we did. It came out super cute. Now there are going to be some scorch marks on your wood if you don't like mask it first. I've been doing some research, and you can like put masking tape on the wood to help the scorch marks. But if you are unknowledgeable like I was, because there is gonna be some research involved on your part if you really want to get to the in-depth and really know how to work this machine. But it was okay because I did scorch this, but I was able to clean it off with white vinegar. It just wiped the scorch marks right off the wood, and then I was able to apply some cutting board oil to it. They also have some cutting board wax on Amazon. I'll link down below which ones that I used for this cutting board, but it's nice, cute. I'm gonna give it to my mommy for Mother's Day. It's coming up. Look at this. And I was the rotary. Yeah, I've been playing with the rotary. My husband is a trucker, so I was playing with this one. Practice tumbler, you guys. I've never done a laser before, and y'all, there is a learning curve with the rotary, but if you guys want to see what I did, I will do another video just on the rotary, and I'm going to do another tumbler because I just got another tumbler in off of Amazon that I'm going to be playing with. It's like one of those Stanley dupe tumblers, but I got this powder coated because this wasn't really a powder coated This really wasn't a powder coated tumbler. This was almost like a painted type look, or was it powder coated? It's like a glittery, maybe it is powder. I don't know. Y'all don't listen to me. I don't know. But this one, I've been wanting to try this one as well. I'm just going to unscrew the handle, and we're going to play with this one next time. Pros and cons. I don't really see anything right now that is a con. Like I said, this is a 20 watt laser. They have lasers that are like 40 watt. They have like the CO2 lasers that do a whole lot more materials than what this machine does. But for the beginner laser crafter, the hobbyist, the just starting out lasering things, this 20 watt laser is absolutely perfect. Maybe in the future, I want to move up to a 40 watt laser, which I just noticed WECREAT now has a 40 watt laser. They also have a infrared laser module that you can interchange with the one that's in this machine. It's on their website if you guys want to check it out. WECREAT has a YouTube channel that you can go and look at their videos that they've done on how to clean the machine, on how to work the machine. But like I said, from the beginner laser crafter, this machine is absolutely perfect. And this is literally all I need right now. I'm not going to be doing laser projects 24/7. It's just something that I'm going to add on to what I'm already doing. Like I said, they also have the 40 watt laser. So if you are more advanced and you want a little bit more power to do a little bit more materials, you can go for the 40 watt. Totally up to you. But as I keep repeating and keep saying over and over, this 20 watt is absolutely perfect. And in the videos that I've watched with other laser cutter or other laser hobbyists, other laser people makers, I have no idea what you call them, laserists? No idea, but y'all know what I mean. They say the 20 watt laser is the sweet spot for lasering tumblers, engraving, all the things. They have a Mother's Day sale going on right now where you can get a nice chunk of change off the price. If you want to see more projects, because you will, so I guess it's not really if you want to see, you're gonna be seeing more projects, because man, this is too much fun. If you guys have any questions, just post them down below. I'll also post links to the WECREAT YouTube channel and also to their website and also to a discount code that I have prepared for you guys just for my followers and subscribers down below. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. A huge thank you to WECREAT for sending me this machine. I absolutely love it. And a huge thank you to all of my channel and mentorship members. Your support is literally all the things. Have fun checking out your own WECREAT vision machine, and I will see you guys again next time.